Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thanks for coming here to learn the dance. Don't click play. This is a fairly new line dance and it is 64 counts. It is intermediate. 2 walls, no tags, no restarts. 3 choreographers. Guillaume Richard, I think, or is it Richard? Chris Jacques and Debbie Rushton. All right, so, ready? Let's do it. Right foot walks forward. 1, 2. You're going to take it out, out. Right, left, heel, pop. It's actually a knee pop, but your heels come up. Take your right foot over, right, out, 6. And we're going to do a sailor step with a quarter turn. Sailor step. With counts, we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, over 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you're on your right foot, taking your left foot, pushing your hips forward and back. 1, 2, 3, half a pivot, 4. You're weighted on your right, keep going. You're on your right foot for for 5, and you're going to hold 6 and take right, left, heel, toe. And 7 and 8. Do that again. Right foot goes 1, 2, 3, turn 4, turn 5, hold 6, and 7 and 8. Let's put those 2 counts of 8 together. Here we go. And you have a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, cross 5, 6, sailor, 7, and pushing on 1, and 2, and 3, turn 4, 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8. Third count of 8, just going to adjust myself over here. You're going to take a cross rock on this one. So we're going to go cross, rock, shuffle forward, 3 and 4. Right foot. You're at 3 o'clock. You're going to press down and you're going to press, sweep as you come up into a back weave, back, side, front. Okay? So the counts, it's pretty simple on this. It's kind of a basic cha-cha rhythm. So you have 1, 2, oh, sorry, that's crosswalk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time to make sure that y'all got that, because it's a cross rock. It's 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, press, lift, back, side, front. 3 counts of 8 down. Let's go to the top. 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, out, out, and pop, cross over, out, sailor, 7, and 8, pushing 1, and 2, and 3, and turn, 5, hold 6, and 7, cross rock, 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, press, sweep, back, side, front. All right, 4th count of 8. I'm going to do it once here, and then I'll turn my back for you so you can see it a little bit better. Because this is a 2-wall dance, this little section will always be done at 3 and 9, okay? And it will end at 6 or 12. So from here, the little switches, point, step, kick your right foot forward, step back and touch your left foot to the side at 6 o'clock. That counts as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let me shift that so you can see it. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From and 4, you're at 6 o'clock, your left foot is free. You're going to take it out, turning a quarter and walking it. 1, 5, follow your left shoulder, do a half turn. 6, do a quarter turn, which will bring you back to 6. So you're making an entire rotation, but you're going to do that with a shuffle. Left, right, left. Okay? So let's go over that again. You've just done your switches. You've got your left toe pointed. You step forward, follow your left shoulder, quarter, half, quarter, cha, cha. Okay? Let's do that kind of 8 all the way. That probably maybe, you know what? I'm going to do it at this wall, so when I do that other part, you can see it. Okay? So it looks like this. You're going to go point and kick, step, toe, quarter, back, 7, and 8. Right? I hope that helps, because that would be where you would be on that section when you're starting at 6 o'clock. So I hope that lets you see it a little bit better. So we're going to go back to the top. We're going to run these 4 8s, and that is half the dance. I know, half the dance, and then we go. You ready? 6, 7, here we go, and a 1, 2, and 3, pop, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, half, quarter, hold, and 7, heel, toe. 1, 2, forward, 3, and 4, press, lift, 7, and 8, switch, point, step, kick, and point, left, right, cha, cha, cha. You're weighted on your left, you are at 6 o'clock. So, the last half of the dance, here's the good news. This is 64 counts, right? But the 5th count of 8 and the 6th count of 8 are repeated on the 7th count of 8 and the 8th count of 8. So technically you're only learning 48 counts. So that's good news, right? So I'm going to teach it to you, and we're going to do it twice. I'm going to turn my back so you can see it the first time from the back. And it's the same choreography, okay? So you would have just done your cha-cha-cha and you're weighted on your left foot. You would have done a shuffle on that. So your right foot is going to cross over. So you're going to go 1, 2, and you're going to do a little sailor step. 3 and 4. Now you're going to take your left foot over. 5, take your right foot back. 6, shuffle back. 7 and 8. So let's do that again. So you would have just done da, da, da. You have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? I'm going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to do the next count of 8. I'm just going to put these 2 8s together a couple times and practice that over and over because that's kind of a different section almost, right? So you would have just finished switches that brought you into 7 and 8. You go over, out, sailor step, cross, back, shuffle, back. Now I'm going to give you the next part. You're weighted on your left foot. Feels like you should go back. You do. It's a rock, recover, back. 1, 2. Now 2 half turns. Step back, step forward. On 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is kind of a signature move for the don't click play. As you step out on your right foot, you're going to go right, push it out, push, push, and then the first time at the end of this, you're going to turn to your left and sweep, and you repeat. So I'm going to just keep going and counting it. This is the repeat of the 5th count of 8. Cross, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, 5, back, shuffle, back, rock, recover, half, turn, don't, click, play. And the second time, instead of sweeping, you do a little flick because you're starting the dance again. I know that's a little bit confusing, but I'm going to do it a couple times in a row so that you can practice that with me, those 2 8s. So I'm going to start at 6 o'clock because the first time you've done the dance, you've done 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, quarter, half, cha, 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 cross, side. So that's where we're starting. 7, 8, we have 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, cross, step back, 6, shuffle, 7, 8, rock, recover, 2 half turns, 3, 4, go right hip, right hip, sweep, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, back, shuffle, step, rock, recover, half, turn, don't, click, play, sweep, start the dance again. Okay? So, I'm going to go back to the very top, and we're going to try it. I'll do it at both walls, and, if you make a mistake, you go back, rewind, 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 and remember, you can always slow down this video when you're on YouTube. You go to the little settings, the little wheel, and when you hit it, it'll give you a playback speed. And you can hit the playback speed, and you can do an automatic how much to slow it down, or you can just do it gradually a little bit, because the dance is really fast. I admit. So, here we go, from the top. 5, 6, 7, go, and a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, sailor 7, push it out on a 1, and a 2, and a 3, turn 4, out 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8, cross 1, 2, forward 3, and 4, press, lifts, here comes the little switch, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, cross it over for 1, 2, sailor step, cross, back, shuffle step, rock, recover 2, half, turns, don't, click, play, sweep. So you 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here's the little flick, go, you're at 6, 2, and 3, pop, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, push it 1, 2, 3, turn 4, turn 5, hold 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, switch, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 12, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, back, 7, and 8, half, turn, 3, 4, don't, click, play, sweep, 1, 2, a little bit faster, back, back, shuffle, step, half, turns, bump, bump, don't, click, play, pop, go. So I did it, yay! I hope you did too. So the things to remember on it are that those 2 last sections just keep going and repeat. And so if you get, if you're having a hard time learning and putting it all together, do it a couple 8s at a time. They each kind of go together. Work a couple 8s at a time and get solid on that. I also will often recommend you when teaching, when you're learning something and you finish your count of 8, to go right into count 1 and 2, or at least count 1, so you automatically can kind of do that transitions and you don't get stuck. That's just a little teacher thing that I do when I'm teaching. Let's see, I think that's it. One more thing. The beginning of the dance starts with don't, click, play. So what happens is you actually start facing 9 for the intro, if you will, and go don't, click, play, boom, and then the actual music starts. And you'll hear them say that, so that you'll know to do it. Okay? So, we're gonna dance it. And remember, when you watch this video, to subscribe if you have not subscribed, please. I love it when you leave comments. I promise I will get back to you. Like the video, share the video, and I appreciate you being here. So I'm going to turn around and we're going to get started. Oh, I have to start sideways. I almost forgot. Here we go. Don't, click, play. Woo!
Big heating's all on me, I need no water. 2, 3 in the morning, look at that girl, can't stop her. Oh, I wanna talk that talk, but I'm so unbothered. Let me put on my shades, let me pop my collar.
Out, sailor, back, rock, cover, turn. Click the play. This is what I'm playing.
DJ, don't push that.
have to say, I was a little sloppy on that. If you notice, because I want you to know what's correct, this is always heel toe in that little, ball step heel toe. A couple times I think I moved my toe first. Don't do that because it's wrong. And I'm pretty crazy about the step sheet. So that's just one of those things I want you to make sure if I did it a little bit off that you don't. Okay? So it's a great cardio one. It's a lot of fun. Again, thank you guys for coming here to watch. I so appreciate it. And, I hope that if you're in LA, that you'll look me up. That's where I live and teach. And I would love to meet you and share the dance floor with you. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the dance floor.